In 2017 in Hai Phong, the biggest port city in Vietnam, the automotive industry witnessed a miracle with the swift transformation of an uninhabited swampland into a state-of-the-art automotive factory and the launch of the first 3 car models in a mere 21 months. VinFast Press Shop is the largest in Southeast Asia and is 100% automated. The modern body shop is 100% automated and operated by 1,200 ABB robots. The paint shop is clean, environmentally friendly, and uses the modern road dip, an electrostatic painting system. Using cutting-edge technologies, the engine shop creates products with outstanding performance. The sub-assembly shop offers versatility with 3 modern production lines. The general assembly shop uses cutting-edge technologies to manufacture quality vehicles. Battery cell and charging station production represents key areas for the evolution of our EV brand. The vehicle test area ensures that our vehicles are up to the highest quality standards. Our factory follows strict environmental policies, showcasing our commitment to a sustainable future. The large-scale supplier part unites our world-leading partners and establishes a global supply chain for the automotive industry. Millions of VinFast smart electric vehicles will begin their journey here before bringing safety, convenience, and joy to our global customers. VinFast, boundless together.